Godmode. It's a hidden feature that gives you quick access to all your system settings in one place. Please subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. Now let's dive right in. Create a new folder and set the huge text on the screen as the folder name. Yeah, it's just as simple as that. I'm even wondering why this video is this long anyway. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, chances are you'll never hear from me again since there are a million other better channels on this platform. And if you are, thank you very much. I know my videos aren't special, but your support means a lot to me wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a good day.